Good morning, guys. Cup. So this is in the morning where I just bond with the birds a little bit. Cup. So what I do here is I call for them. The youngsters is amongst the old birds here in the raging rock. So I tame them and feeding them something fine seed of some sort, and I will by this method also tame the young birds, get them to eat from my hand, and then the rest of the day they on their own. Until the night I do the same. Cup. So this way when I catch birds they're not that scared, I don't frighten them. Slightly so that you guys can see what's going on. Cup. Cup. Yeah, but I think you have a method. You either call them or you blow a whistle or something when you feed them, so you can get your birds to respond to your call. I think this will also assist you during racing. If you call the bird, then it will respond. Hopefully. You know, sometimes they get afraid on the route back home, and it's a struggle to get birds in. But I must say, this year I had a very good season with regards to trapping and that type of thing. There was a few occasions where I found the birds in the lock, but then I wasn't away for maybe more than 5 minutes at a time. Cup. Sometimes I will hand feed them the actual feed for the day in the morning or either in the evening. I have time to sit here. In the evening more likely, but in the morning, you know, it's a rush to work and so on, except for over the weekends maybe. Cup. You know, some of the birds have just got this keen, calm demeanor about them. They're not scared, or they're not, I don't know. Like I say, I like to refer to them as furniture in the loft. You know, this bird is unlikely to get lost on the races. They can maybe stay away or trap somewhere, but first opportunity they get, they will return back. Cup. 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 Come. I think with this method, you being so close to the birds, if you are moving around the loft or inside the loft while the birds are inside, they will be scattered all over the shell, thinking that you want to catch them. So at times it's easy for me to just move around even though the loft is open. They wouldn't just want to get out the first opportunity they have while I'm inside the loft and the door is open. So I try not to chase my birds, no for flying, no for reason like that. Maybe once the race team is ready, walk is done, the only thing I will do is just to get them outside the loft. But once they're outside, I won't chase them. So I don't have to struggle with birds once they return from the race. Because if you, I don't know, it's just my feeling. If you force them to fly, then you will have a problem with them getting in the loft from a race. So I try to refrain from chasing the birds. If they don't want to fly once they're outside, it's their story. I feel I did my part to get them outside the loft. From there, they want to sit, they will sit. But they will sit outside, not inside the loft. Cup. So this is just us bonding a little bit. Cup. So further, after this I will, okay, I'm going to put in fresh water now. After I feed them, then they will be out, or they will be enjoying an open loft for the rest of the day. But I try to, with the youngsters especially, they are still developing their muscles, so they are not yet strong flyers. I try not to put my birds out early morning. I will let them out, say around about 10 o'clock. And in the evening, at least maybe 2 to 3 hours before sunset, I will try to get my birds in. The reason for that is just to avoid my birds falling victim to walk attacks, trying to get their supper for the evening. So from my experience, you either get early morning attacks. I mean, there's no specific time for a walk to attack. You will attack a bird when the opportunity arises, any time of the day. Given the walk is hungry, but I feel the best time is to let your birds out after 10 o'clock, and then at least 3 hours, between 2 and 3 hours before sunset, to get them back in the loft. Just out of my experience, I feel that the losses to falcon attacks around the loft is to a minimum, and you can preserve your race team in that manner until the actual race starts. So that is my method for safeguarding my youngsters, not to expose them while they are not that strong for flyers. They might just get tired of the chasing and fall victim to the attack. So yes guys, that's my tip of the day. If I can teach anybody anything, keep your youngsters safe between 10 o'clock. I mean, the winter time it will be earlier because it gets dark much quicker. So from 4 o'clock or maybe 3:30, maybe I will start trying to get my birds in, given I'm at home. Alright guys, cheers, I'm out.